Tracfone operates on a prepaid model, meaning you pay upfront for service. Your service end date is when your current plan expires. To extend it and keep your number active, you need to add airtime or service days. This can be done by purchasing airtime cards online at Tracfone's website or retailers like Walmart, or through the Tracfone app. Digital cards instantly credit your account, extending the end date. Make sure to extend service before your current plan expires to avoid deactivation and potential reactivation fees. Set up automated texts or email reminders to notify you 7 days before expiration to encourage proactive extensions. Start by purchasing an airtime card, either digital or physical, from retailers like Walmart or online. Next, redeem the card via the Tracfone website or app to instantly add the service days to your account. Once redeemed, the service days are automatically added to your account, extending your service end date. Important: if your account expires, your number enters a dormant state. To reactivate, you'll need a new purchase plus a reactivation fee of $5 to $10. Data usually rolls over, but unused minutes and texts may not carry forward. Consider enrolling in Smart Refill for automatic top-ups using linked credit cards or bank accounts. Regularly monitor your account balance and service end date through the Tracfone app or website to prevent service interruptions. If transferring service to a new Tracfone device, check the compatibility tool to ensure it works with your plan.